The Philippines, an archipelago of beautiful islands surrounded by pristine waters and stunning views, is home to 110 million Filipinos, world-renowned natural wonders, unique cuisines, vibrant festivals, and happy locals. As a country, we are divided into islands, but as Filipinos, it's innate for us to stay connected and keep our ties strong. It has become an essential for us to have a safe, reliable, and efficient inter-island transportation. At 2GO, we are on a daily mission to transport our passengers safely and to ensure an unhampered flow of goods. We are here in the service of the Filipino people. On this new journey comes a new milestone. A vessel that embodies the Filipino spirit and 2GO's commitment to make Filipinos around the country happy. Isang maligayang pagbati mula kay MV 2GO Maligaya.
We are a homegrown company, so we base the new vessel naming convention on human aspirations and Filipino values. When traveling, you want a sense of happiness. Masaya is a happy feeling, but Maligaya gives a feeling of deeper joy. This vessel that you see here now is considered the fastest, the largest, and the most state-of-the-art ro-ro passenger ship sailing in Philippine waters today. This is the first ship that we bought in a long time. This new acquisition is part of 2GO's modernization program to provide a better experience for our customers and passengers. The MV 2GO Maligaya also shows off our new livery. This new livery, the overall design, is inspired from the simplicity of building blocks, of shapes, of spaces. It represents the notion of how basic shapes can be created and recreated into another form. Carefully laid out, the look altogether has a new, youthful, stimulating, visual spatial experience for passengers and customers to enjoy. Each shape harnessed from 2GO's brand identity are assigned as symbols of the company's core pillar and values. The round shape is holistic, it's cohesive, and it is efficient. This brings out the quality and excellence of 2GO's standard as a company. The loop, versatile and wide range of services and solutions for any business and for everyone, from transporting goods and travel. The arrow is progressive and innovative. It shows the company through the years amidst unpredictable waves and challenging climates. 2GO keeps on moving forward, finds new ways to evolve and improve.
With a top speed of 23.5 knots, the new lady is the fastest in its class and will take its passengers and cargo from Manila to Cebu in just 17 hours. 2GO's most advanced and state-of-the-art ship is a combination of Japanese and European technology.
This is MV 2GO Maligaya, is of international standard equipped with the latest digital technology, the future of maritime industry. It has a two powerful engine, twin radars, electronic chart digital information system, and three powerful thruster. We have integrated control system in the bridge, which means the captain can operate the whole ship with a joystick. MV 2GO Maligaya is in compliance with the International Maritime Organization, SOLAS, International Association of Classification Society for the Safe Ship. The vessel is also IMO 2020 ready for the use of low sulfur fuel. The speed and size are vital for us, especially when there is a typhoon. We can maneuver away and take shelter for the safety of the ship, the crew, and the passengers. The vessel is fuel efficient, which can save as much as 20% fuel consumption daily at a speed of 19 knots. The hull is painted with premium paints, which reduces vessel drag and save additional 5% of fuel consumption. We also applied silicone paints on the propellers, again saving on fuel consumption of the vessel. MV 2GO Maligaya is a ro-ro passenger vessel that can transport passenger and cargoes nationwide, linking major ports in the country from Manila to Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, and vice versa.
The capacity of the ship is massive. It can accommodate up to 800 passengers, but more importantly, we accommodate those passengers in much bigger room spaces, in much bigger common areas. In terms of container capacity, it's easily double that of the largest RoPax vessels that we operate today. The accommodation types include stateroom, business premium, tourist premium, business and tourist class, and tatami. We're also introducing something new. It's business premium and tourist premium, which are upgraded versions of our existing classes. It's more affordable than a stateroom, but more importantly, we're harping on safe travels. So it's a perfect choice for solo travelers preferring to social distance. This ship is equipped with 2 restaurants, a salon, a convenience store, a cafe, a prayer room, gaming, and entertainment rooms. Our commitment always has been to offer fun, safe, and memorable sea travel experiences all throughout our journey.
MV 2GO Maligaya welcomes you on board. We are ready to go!